Alright, usapang decimals naman tayo ngayon. This is a sample problem which says 9,746 and 8/10,000 written in standard form is. So essentially, binigyan tayo ng words na kailangan i-translate into numbers. And the key to answering this item is to be familiar with the place value system. Tandaan lang natin na yung salitang end essentially means decimal point. So kung hatiin mo into two parts yung statement, 9,746, ito yung whole part, whole numbers. End is the decimal point. And then yung decimal part is 8/10,000. Mabilis natin ito masasagot by virtue of elimination. Elimination such a way na tingnan mo muna yung unang bahagi. Whole part muna tayo. Alin sa mga sumusunod yung merong 9,746 na whole part? Sabihin, nasa left side ni decimal point. 9,746 would be options A, C, and D. Agad-agad eliminated si B. You don't even need to consider its decimal part. May tatlong options na lang tayo. Huhulaan ba natin? Hindi. Puntahan mo yung sumunod na bahagi. We know that end is the decimal point. So kung isusulat natin yan, we know it's 9,746. Sulat mo yung decimal point, which is essentially yung end. And then yung decimal part na tayo, 8/10,000. Sa pagbasa ng decimal part, tandaan, hindi porke 8 yun nandyan, immediately may 8 dito. What you actually need to do is to consider yung place value na na-mention sa huli. Naka-highlight yung 10,000ths, THS yung basa sa lahat ng place value found on the right side of the decimal point. So ano-ano yun? Immediately after the decimal point is what we call the tenths place value. Sunod dyan yung hundredths place value. So parang regular din na place value system. Ang pinakaiba, walang ones. Hindi nagsisimula sa ones yan. Not unlike this one. Papunta sa left side, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and so on. We already know about that. Pero hindi lahat familiar dun sa nasa right side. Wala pong ones. No such thing as ones. Diretso yan sa tenths. Yun yung pinakamalapit sa decimal point, followed immediately by hundreds. Guess what? Sunod-sunod na yun. Thousands, 10,000s. Which means, yung binabanggit na 8/10,000 should be in this place value. So, alam natin, ito yung tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s nandito. So, nandyan dapat yung 8 na 10,000s. Ayun yung 8/10,000s. Anong gagawin ko dun sa mga blanco? You need to make sure na yung 8 ay nasa tamang place value, which is 10,000s. Pero hindi pwedeng may gap. Ano yung magiging placeholder natin para si 8 nasa tamang place value? Lagyan ng zeros. This is our final answer. This is 9,746 and 8/10,000. Hopefully nakatulong itong video na ito. Ang ibig sabihin ng yan, yung option D would be the closest. Best answer, in fact. Best and only answer.